Struggling to choose between Luma AI and Runway AI for your next AI video project? Let's break down which platform reigns supreme. First up, Luma AI excels in creating realistic 3D models from videos. Simply upload your footage and let Luma generate a nerf, allowing you to view your object from any angle. This is perfect for showcasing products or capturing real-world environments with stunning detail. Think of it as turning the real world into a digital asset. Now, Runway AI shines with its diverse AI-powered editing tools. It offers text-to-video, image-to-video, and style transfer features. Want to visualize a written script or bring a static image to life? Runway AI's generative capabilities empower you to create engaging video content from a variety of inputs. It's your all-in-one creative powerhouse. When it comes to editing, Luma AI focuses on refining your 3D captures, while Runway AI offers a broader range of tools for general video editing, including masking, object removal, and visual effects. Consider Luma's specialized, while Runway is versatile. Luma AI may require a bit more technical understanding to master, especially when working with nerfs. Runway AI boasts a more user-friendly interface and simpler workflow, making it accessible to beginners. If you're new to AI video creation, Runway AI provides an easier entry point. Otherwise, Luma will get you more details. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your project needs and technical expertise. Choose Luma AI for detailed 3D models. Choose Runway AI for diverse AI-powered video creation. What will you choose?